Hey everyone, this is Tara Yelverton. I researched the Autonomous Learner Model by George Betts. George Betts says that there are three levels of curriculum offerings. He said that level one is prescribed curriculum and instruction. It's based on state standards, and there's really not enough depth or complexity for a talented and gifted student with level one. Level two is where teacher differentiation is performed according to each student's differences. It's best for most students, but it's still not sufficient for tag students. So level three is where tag students are best served when the learner has their own options and they're self-directed and they're in charge of their own learning. The core goal for the autonomous learner model is that students learn to become independent and responsible for their own learning. They also develop social skills, positive self-concepts, thinking, and problem-solving skills. They're able to comprehend what giftedness is, and they're able to learn decision-making. It's the framework that helps meet their cognitive, emotional, and social needs. There's 5 dimensions of the autonomous learner model. It begins with orientation. So this is where the student learns the central concepts of giftedness, as well as the program goals and their opportunities and expectations. Included in this part is the students, parents, teachers, and even administrators. They move to the individual development dimension. And this is a focus on developing skills, attitudes, and concepts which promote independent and self-directed learning. The 5 components are inter and interpersonal learning skills, technology, college and career involvement, and organizational skills and productivity. Then they move to the enrichment activities. This is where students explore like their passion areas and areas that go along with their passion areas. They learn to present, to investigate. They learn cultural activities. They participate in arts, all forms of arts. They plan and they participate in service projects, and they even plan and are able to participate in adventure trips. Next is seminars, and this is where you have a group of 4 to 5 students. That group researches a topic and presents their topic to the whole group, sort of like in a seminar format. Students learn to present, facilitate discussions, and then facilitate those discussions in order to gain audience participation. Then there's in-depth study. This is where they do long-term small group, individual or small group studies. This is the highest level of autonomous learning, and so this is what they would move up to. Now there's resources. The autonomous learning model, the Betts, has resources available. There's student self-rating forms, there's teacher rating forms, there's an action plan, which is similar to an IEP that we have for special education students. There's teacher nomination forms, parent referral forms, and student application forms. There's also available exercises and activities that promote self-understanding, educational goals, and service projects. And that concludes my presentation.